Come on, come on. And yeah, we arrive at, what do you call this? DoubleTree Hotel by Hilton. So we're already here. I'm with my friend and assistant cook. And it's going to be our first time here in Hawaii. What else? Let's just make a quick tour. Here is the hallway. And from there, you got 2 beds. We're not sharing because we're not couples. Here you go. You got a very cool balcony. We're actually on the 7th floor. So from here, you got buildings and a beach. So later, we're gonna head out there and take some videos. So that's it. Ken, approve from review. Say hi there again. And yeah, that's it.